In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning split-screen effect using CapCut. We'll start by adjusting some fundamental settings to ensure that your final product is both professional and visually appealing. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their video editing skills with CapCut's simple yet powerful tools. First, let's set the stage by adjusting the canvas ratio. CapCut offers a variety of canvas ratios to best fit different platforms, but for today, we'll set ours to a 9:6 ratio. This aspect ratio is particularly useful if you're creating content for vertical platforms like Instagram Stories or TikTok. By setting it to 9:16, you're ensuring that your video will fill the screen beautifully on mobile devices, which is essential for engaging your audience effectively. Next, let's bring your content into the project. You'll want to import 2 videos into the timeline. Drag and drop your chosen clips into CapCut's editing timeline, one on top of the other. This stacking method is crucial because it will allow us to create that eye-catching split-screen effect. Make sure that both clips are lined up accurately in terms of timing. This foundation will make the rest of your editing process much smoother. Now focus on the video clip that's on top in the timeline. After selecting it, navigate to the Mask tab within CapCut. Here's where you'll find various options to customize your video clips. For our purpose, select the Split option. The split mask is what allows us to create that distinct division between the 2 video clips, giving them each their own portion of the screen. Once you've chosen the split option, it's time to fine-tune your mask direction. CapCut provides flexibility by offering several directions for the split: vertical, horizontal, or diagonal. Decide which orientation best suits the narrative or aesthetic you're aiming for and apply it to your project. This directional choice can significantly impact the mood of your video, so take a moment to ensure it supports your overall vision. Finally, let's make sure everything looks perfect. You'll need to resize and align both of your clips to create a seamless split-screen effect. Adjust the clips so that their edges align neatly without any visible overlap or gaps. This attention to detail is what will make your split-screen effect feel natural and professionally done. Test your video by playing it back and making any necessary tweaks to ensure the transitions are smooth and the visual effect is exactly how you envisioned. And there you have it. A sleek split-screen effect created in just a few steps using CapCut. With these basics, you can now experiment and incorporate even more creative elements into your projects. Happy editing!